Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And today it's time to get back on the Monday grind. I know you're not ready, but we gotta do it. All right, you all, let's kick this review off. This one here is gonna be by Bruno Prado, and Bruno Prado always does an awesome job on watch faces. Let's check them out. What's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and yes, it is time to get back on the Monday grind. I hope you're ready. We're bringing about some nice watch faces that may help you through your day. Now, the name of this one is called Granite Colors. It's by Bruno Prado, and always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. You're only going to get it in a bluish greenish type of color, right? But you still get all the info you need to see at a glance. Now, when the watch face is on, you get all your step status info you can ever want. You get digital time in the middle along with your date. You also get a PM stamp as well. So at the top, you're going to get calories burned. To the right, you're going to get your heart rate information. Down at the bottom, your step info, which is vital. And to the left, you're going to get info on floors climbed. Now, if you look around the bezel of the watch, right now, exactly right at the top, that's going to be your second hand that's ticking around the bezel of the watch. And not a bad look at all. And it is inactive, so if you tap on anything, any application, it would take you into that information for you to extract more info about whatever it is you're looking for out of that application. So I thought it was nice. Even if you tap in the middle, you can go in, you can get your apps. I thought that was super convenient to have on a watch face, not bad at all. And you can customize the color of the watch face. And you get tons of watch faces, well, colors to change to. Just cycle through the one you like, let it land. You got so many to choose from. Guys, you got to let me know what you think about this watch face. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts. And with that, let's check out watch face number two. Watch face number two. I don't know about you all, but I like this watch face. And let me just tell you the name of it, right? The name of the watch face is called Royale, right? Royale Colors. This one is nice. What I'm liking about it is the detailing of the number that's going around the bezel of the watch. I thought that was pretty slick. I like the slow second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. Gives it a little class, a little pizzazz. I like that. Even in the always on mode, it has a good look. Not bad at all. But I'm really, really liking the look with the watch face on. Again, the detailing, the indexes that's going around the bezel of the watch looks great. And the color overall is beautiful. Now, you're going to get your step info. You're going to get your, of course, date. And you're also going to get your calories burned. Let's tap on to see if it's interactive. Double tap. There we go. Got to double tap in order to get in to that application. Let's tap right here and see if that one works. Yep, it works. Now, let's tap right here and we can change the color. I'm telling you, the colors look so nice, so vibrant. You got to see this in person. This is really nice. I'm liking it. You get tons of colors to choose from. Depending on what you want, you can definitely color coordinate. Look at that one. That one's nice. Now, that one I may be able to get away with dressing up. What do you think? All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts about this watch face because I'm loving it. And again, enjoy the rest of your day. Hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. And again, as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.